Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, as promised, is a luxury haul video. Apologies I didn't get this up yesterday. I was intending to, but I just had a bit of a work explosion and I just didn't have time in the end. But hopefully better late than never. I did get my Mytheresa orders through and I'm so excited about what I got. So I'm gonna be sharing my orders in today's video as well as a handbag unboxing because I did get a new Chanel bag as well. So I hope you guys enjoy this and let's get started. If you missed Friday's video, the Mytheresa are doing their annual Treat Yourself promo, which is essentially a tiered discount. So it's in the US, $100 off $700 or $200 off $1,300, and that converts into different currencies for different countries. It's not off absolutely everything, but there is a landing page where everything is included. So I'll link that below. It does end today though, so if you're watching this in time, you do only have a few hours left to shop it. I believe it ends midnight German time. I'm not sure what that is in other time zones, but I will pop that on screen. I think it's 11 p.m. in the UK, but I'm not sure in America, so I will pop that on screen. But it is a great sale if you do watch this in time. I have a whole blog post with all of my picks if you wanted to check that out. So I'll pop all the details below as well as all the discount codes you'll need to shop the sale. So first up is this beautiful gingham skirt, and I love gingham. I think it's such a classic print. I love how it just returns year after year, and it just reminds me of summer picnics and long days, and I just love it to bits. I thought this skirt was beautiful. It's very on trend as well with the tiered effect. Tiered skirts seem to be everywhere at the moment, and I love it. This one does also have buttons all the way down, and it is linen, but it doesn't seem to crease too badly, which is amazing because I hate linen creasing. It just drives me crazy. But I don't know if it's a different type or otherwise maybe the pattern, but it doesn't seem to be too bad at all. You do have pockets as well, which is always a bonus for me. You have this great little tie that you do into a bow. And I just thought this was the perfect summer skirt, so lovely, pretty classic as well, I think. And I just can't wait to wear this for summer entertaining. Just planning on wearing it with a simple top, maybe a bodysuit, but absolutely beautiful, so thrilled with this. Next up are a pair of shoes that I got, and this is the first time I bought a pair of shoes from this brand, and I hope I don't butcher this pronunciation, but Roger Vivier. Let me know if I got that right or wrong, but I had been lusting after their shoes for such a long time and I saw they were included in the sale, so I decided now is my chance. It comes in this beautiful packaging, so it's this really nice silky dust bag, and the shoes are these gorgeous, are they kitten heels? I guess they're kind of like a mid heel. I'm not sure if they're low enough to be a kitten heel, but it's a very, very manageable heel height. I love the curved heel. It's beautiful cream patent leather. It is a pointy toe and they have this great buckle right in the front. I thought these were so beautiful. I am absolutely in love with them. I did want your guys' opinion though, because right after I placed my order for these, I did see the olive green ones in the suede, and I love suede heels. I find them so comfortable. I can literally wear them all day long. So I'm debating exchanging these for the olive green ones, but I'm not sure. I don't know if they'll be as versatile because of the color, so let me know your thoughts. Do you think I should keep these ones? I do love them. I think they're beautiful. Or do you think I'll get more use out of the olive green suede ones? Let me know in the comment section below, please. But yeah, I love the style. I think it's so beautiful. A really nice heel height and just such an elegant shoe that I think it's gonna look good with skirts, also jeans. Just super excited about these. Next up is a scarf, and I know it's not very spring ready, but I thought it was beautiful. It was included in the sale, and I figured scarves don't really go in and out of fashion, so it's definitely going to keep until next year. I just thought this was beautiful. I love the color. I always love my baby blues, and I just thought this was the prettiest shade. I love the fact that it's a really big scarf as well, so it's really oversized, really nice for travel if we ever start again, but just generally for winter wear, I thought it was just so perfect. A lovely length. It is a kind of wool blend, I think, so I do think it's going to be really warm. You have this rib detailing all the way through, and I am just full-on obsessed with this, so very, very happy with it. The color is just so unbelievably dreamy. I absolutely love it. Next up is a skirt, and I thought this pencil skirt from DVF was just so unbelievably beautiful. I love the print. It's kind of like a polka dot, but it's like an abstract polka dot. So you have this blue and dark navy print on the background, and then you have this abstract polka dot all over. really lovely. The fabric though is so nice. It is structured, but it feels like kind of like a silky fabric. It just feels amazing to touch, and I just love the look of it. It is fairly long, but it gives a really nice silhouette, so very streamlined. I think this would work beautifully for if we ever have office meetings again, but I also think it would be cute for like a date night. Also, I feel like pencil skirts can sometimes be a little bit hit or miss depending on the fabric, but this is just absolutely gorgeous. I love the fact that it has a slit on the back as well, so very easy to walk in, and I just thought this was so pretty. Next up is a pair of shoes. These are from Jovita Rossi, who are undoubtedly my favorite designer shoe brand. I just always find their shoes to be so beautifully made and so comfortable as well. And I saw this new style from them and I just fell in love. So it is a summer shoe. You have the dust bag. And then here are these beautiful, beautiful sandals. So it does have this beautiful braided design right here, and it is a 2-strap option, but there's no backing. So it's just kind of an open sandal. These are very, very comfortable though, a manageable heel height, so I do think I could wear these all day long. They are a tiny bit small for me though. I did try these on already, so I just kind of repackaged them for the video, but I did try them on. I do think they're a tiny bit small, so I'm going to exchange them for the next size up. So I do find if you were interested in these, that I would say to size up half a size from your regular kind of designer shoe size. So I always take a 37.5 in, I'd say, most designer shoes, and especially Jovita Rossi, but these ones I'm swapping out for a size 38. But I love them nonetheless. I do think they are going to be really comfortable and just a really pretty kind of barely there sandal. So good for summer, and hopefully neutral enough as well that they'll go with everything. Next up is this beautiful skirt, which I am so in love with. It is so much fun to wear. I've already tried it on and I absolutely love it. There is quite a lot of fabric, but it's not too heavyweight, so it's still great for summer. And it's very on trend with the different tiered effects. It's pretty simple. It does have a lining as well, so it is fully opaque, so you cannot see your underwear. I tried it on with black underwear and a black bodysuit and you couldn't see anything, which I love. And I just think this is absolutely gorgeous. Really cute just with sandals, but you can absolutely dress it up with heels as well. And I think this is the perfect summer skirt. So super thrilled with this. I think it is gorgeous. Next up is a hoodie I got, so just a casual one. This one I am exchanging. I'm exchanging it for the next size up. This one does technically fit, but I like my hoodies to be kind of oversized, and this is just a little bit too slim for my liking, but I do love it. It's pretty simple. It's just a white hoodie from Polo Ralph Lauren, so you do have that navy Polo Ralph Lauren logo right there. Apart from that, it just has a very chunky hood, which I always like, and then it's lined in the most lovely snuggly fleece. I am so obsessed with how soft it is. You do have a pocket on the front, and apart from that, it's just a very simple hoodie. But I love white hoodies. I have a couple of them and I always wear them a ton, mainly because I'm always in black leggings, so I like the contrast. But I thought this one was lovely and I'm just excited to get my proper size. And then finally for clothing, I do have 2 tops. It's actually the same top that I like so much that I got it in both colors. So I had tried this top on before, so I knew I liked it, but I am always after really great basic tops that I can wear with pretty much everything, but particularly skirts, because I do wear a ton of skirts. You can definitely wear these with jeans as well, but I always like really kind of, I would call them kind of foundational pieces, so just camis and tanks and bodysuits and things like that. And I love the fit of this one. So it is like a stretched knit, but it fits really well, fits very close to the body, and it has this beautiful neckline, so it's like a sweetheart neckline. Really lovely, and I got this in both the white and the black. So easy to pair with absolutely everything, and if you did want to color block and just add a belt, I feel like it often looks like a dress. I just love things like this, so really happy with them. I've been waiting for them to go on sale so I could nab them, and I'm very happy they finally did. And then finally, I want to share with you my new Chanel bag, which I am so excited about. I'm not gonna lie to you, I have already looked at it, but I did my best to kind of recreate the packaging for this video. It is so beautiful. So I did buy this kind of, it was over WhatsApp, I guess, kind of over the phone. So it was also delivered by mail, and I literally just got it in, so wanted to share it. In the box. The box is a little bit damaged actually, but that's okay. So on the inside, you have the receipt, which I don't even want to look at because these cost so much now. She was nice enough to give me this little card saying that she hopes I enjoy my bag. Ooh. And here is the dust bag. So I don't know if you'll be able to tell what size it is by the box. So inside it's gonna be super bright because of the ring light, so I will do cutaways, but if I can actually get it out. It is the classic white flat. So this is the caviar leather. This is current season at the moment, and it's with the champagne light gold hardware. This is in the medium size. I don't actually currently own the medium size, so this will be the only medium one I have in my collection. And I'm just so in love with this. I was debating getting it because I had kind of sworn off Chanel. They are so expensive now, but honestly, they've just kind of scared me into thinking they're just gonna be price increases every 6 months now. I've wanted a white one for a while, and when I saw this color combination, I love light gold hardware. I think it's probably my favorite hardware from Chanel, or just in general. And I just saw it and I thought it was beautiful. First saw it on Instagram, and then I contacted sales associate in London, and they were nice enough to ship it out to me, and it's just absolutely perfect. Always really nerve-wracking buying something that's expensive over the phone, but it was totally seamless, and I'm just so over the moon with it. Just opens up like so, so it doesn't have all the tissue paper inside. I'm so excited to get familiar with this size again. I haven't had, as I mentioned, a medium in my collection for a really long time, so if there were any comparison videos that you wanted me to do between any other Chanel sizes or any other bags, let me know. I'm happy to do them, but yeah, I am just so over the moon with this. I think it's just so stunning. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. As promised, I will leave links to everything I featured down below in the description section, along with all the discount codes if you do see this video in time. If you have any questions for me, then leave me a comment. And as always, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.